stable, positive. Okay. Then pakip. Shoop na P-power. Shoop P. Okay, but then we will test now. Okay. Come. 60 ampere hour. Yeah, 13.39, 60 GB, 100%. Okay, good performance. We'll try printing. Okay, how ada mapimalom also, ada first time use. Okay, this is the result. Press F4. Serial number. Okay, let's just put this 1, 2, 3. Any serial number, I don't know. Okay? Then okay. Escape. Now printing. Good. See? Here. Mia. Okay. State of charge 100. Cross. Relay test. Bali, naglagay lang muna ako ng power supply dahil walang battery. So 12 volt na power supply ginamit ko. Yan. Magre-relay test tayo ha. Para magkaroon siya ng power, nilagyan ko lang ng external power na 12 volts. Saksak natin itong relay. Dito siya. Then, okay. Masyado mabasa. Yan, relay test tayo. Okay. Yan. Okay. Yan. Yan, kikita mo rin dito sa relay. It means good siya. Yan. Meron pa ako dito isang relay, try ko ulit. Ayan. Ibang klaseng relay naman siya. Saksak ko din dito. Okay. Then, okay. Ayan, ganun din okay siya. Ayos. Pang-test siya ng relay.